Hello, Mommy! This is Mommy RB and today, sagutin natin yung question na to kasi 2 beses ko na to nakita simula kahapon. Ang tanong dito is, hello, Mi, kailangan pa rin po ba yung vaccination? This is about family visit visa for Saudi Arabia. Ito yung requirements. Now, I've already mentioned it a couple of times before kahit sa mga vlog ko sa aking YouTube channel na hindi na po kailangan ng vaccinations. However, there are people na sa hindi sinasadyang pagkakataon ay nakakapagpabook or nakakapag-appointment through BOQ online at nakakapagbayad kahit hindi na kailangan ng vaccination since you cannot refund it directly from the website. So yun na nga, once again, since July or June, hindi na po kailangan yung vaccination for polio and for yellow fever. So we can proceed with other requirements and then tanggalin na lang natin itong vaccination. Pero nasa sa inyo pa rin po yun kung ano yung feel safe kayo, kung gusto nyo pa rin magpa-vaccine or hindi. Pero kasi malaki yung maititipid natin kung tatanggalin na natin siya sa listahan natin. Hindi siya nire-required for family visit visa. Once again, family visit visa for Saudi Arabia. Pero meron pa rin required na MMR na vaccination for Umrah. That is for our Muslim brothers and sisters. And then, of course, may iba pang kailangan. For example, for residency permit, I think, resident visa, that you would require a medical. So, yun po yung pagkakaiba nilang tatlo. So, yun. For family visit visa for Saudi Arabia, we don't require any vaccination na. Wala nang nire-require si Tashir or si Saudi Embassy for us to take yellow fever and polio vaccine. And para po sa kabuuang mga information about family visit visa for Saudi Arabia, you can head over to my YouTube channel. At meron tayong playlist dyan na kumpletong masasagot ang lahat ng inyong mga katanungan. And for any bookings, hotel bookings, or activities anywhere around the globe, don't forget to use Klook app and use Mommy RB Klook para meron kang 5% off sa inyong bookings. And of course, for more affordable flights, book it through trip.com. And for Agoda naman, ilalagay ko rin yung link natin dito. Yun lang mga mi. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you on our next video.